On Friday evening, Lena walked home with tired shoulders and a humming mind. Her week had been full of meetings, errands, and quiet worries that had piled up like unopened mail. At the door, she paused and remembered her promise to herself. This weekend would be for recharging, not proving. She began with her body. On Saturday morning, she opened the curtains and let the sunlight spill across the room like warm tea. She stretched slowly, feeling the stiffness in her back loosen a little. Then she baked oatmeal muffins, filling the kitchen with a soft scent of cinnamon and apples. While they cooled, she took a long walk in the park, paying attention to the rhythm of her steps, the rough bark of the trees, and the bright chatter of sparrows. Each breath felt like a small return to herself. In the afternoon, Lena visited her grandmother at the small white house on Maple Street. Her grandmother was sitting by the window, threading beads for a bracelet. They talked about ordinary things: the weather, old neighbors, the cat who liked sleeping in sunny corners. Yet something tender happened in that simple conversation. Lena felt her heart settle. She realized that social care could be as healing as rest. Being seen, listened to, and gently laughed with was its own kind of medicine. That evening, she lit a candle and sat quietly by her bed. She had been carrying the thought, "I am falling behind." But she remembered a CBT exercise from a counseling podcast. Notice the thought, question it, and replace it with something truer. So she wrote, "I am tired, not failing. I can rest and still be enough." The sentence looked small on the page, but it softened her chest. On Sunday morning, Lena made tea and opened the window. A breeze brushed her face like a blessing. She spent 10 minutes in silence, hands folded, listening to her own breathing. In that stillness, she felt something that was not loud or dramatic, but steady, a quiet faith that she could begin again. By Sunday night, her worries had not vanished, but they no longer ruled the room. Her body felt lighter. Her spirit felt less crowded. Her heart, once wrapped in fatigue, seemed to glow from within. Lena went to bed knowing that healing did not always arrive in grand gestures. Sometimes it came in sunlight, in a walk, in a kind voice, in one honest thought at a time.